Alright homies and homies, before this video begins, I want to let you guys know I'm doing a sale on Beastmode316.com. That's my online coaching site, and that's where you can get my downloadable programs. I'm doing the Bro Split program. If you want to follow that, you can get it at Beastmode316.com. Doing a 15% off code. It's going to be good all the way to next Tuesday. So you got all the way to Tuesday to take advantage of this 15% off code. Push-pull leg program, 4 days on, 1 day off, etc., etc. I also have fat loss meal plans. Here's a new transformation right here. Just posted on my Instagram. Bam! That's Jason. He lost 26 pounds in 16 weeks. And you can too, fam. I've been checking out Instagram and shit lately. Megan Thee Stallion and other influencers got women in the gym now. You know what that means? There's gonna be a lot of hotties. There's gonna be a lot of thotties. And you need to be ready. You need to be home ready. And I can help. You need to be home ready.
Let's give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chasers, and you already know, fam. Get your Pump Chaser subs from Tiger Fitness.com. Get your intra pump BCAs with electrolytes. Get your pump and grind pre-workout. 30 bottles minimum. So anyway, fam, about to get ready to go to the gym, and it's back day. I remember my lifting straps. Time to replace these with some fresh lifting straps. It's back day, okay? If you want some lifting straps, go to pumpchasers.com. 10% off code PUMP10. Fight with me! All right, homies and homies. So here we are, back day at Metroflex Gym. Shout outs to the owner, Randy. All right, so here we go. Starting off with some straight arm pull downs. You're gonna see that in just a moment. And notice, every rep, I'm paused at the bottom. Take a look. This is a nice, you ain't got to pause for 20 seconds, nothing like that. Just make sure you get a nice pause at the bottom. Take advantage of these cables, especially when you're in that season when you want to bring out that definition. You're in like the summer, I'm in that summer season, I'm really trying to get those squeezes in, okay? Those pauses make a difference. So here we are, reverse grip pull down on the hammer strength. There's a lot of machines popping up these days. I was low-key thinking about doing some reviews on them, okay? But at the end of the day, fam, I'm still team hammer strength until further notice, okay? As you see, these reps are smooth like butter. And I'm squeezing, I'm pausing on every rep. Okay, so here we are doing some pull-ups. As you see, I'm pausing on every rep. Squeezing, making the sweetest love. Bring out those details. You know, there's a lot of people, fam, low key, they be having nice backs, nice well-developed backs. And I can't help but to think to myself, it'd be a lot more detailed. Maybe they focus on their diet a little bit. And squeeze, make sure you squeeze, make sweet love to the muscles. So here we are, doing some parallel grip pull-ups, and as you see, taking my time, squeezing at the top. It's summertime, baby, it's summertime. I wanna be crispy in my tank top. So here we are doing some bent over barbell rows. For the hoes with a wide grip. Now this wide grip, you can't go as heavy, but as you see, I'm squeezing the life, squeezing the shit out of the upper back. Taking my time, making the sweetest love. So here we are, about to do some dumbbell rows. Now I'm strapping up. Give me a big girl, 100 pounds, 105 to be exact. Taking my time, making sweet love. I'm wearing my straps because, you know, I can actually hold those 100s in my bare hand, but I'm a little tired right now mentally, right? I'm a little tired. So to take away a little bit of that focus on the grip, I don't have to worry about my grip and just use the straps right now. Although I think straps are a great tool, things like Versa grips are great tools, try to do the majority of your workouts without the straps. You know, save them for your heavy sets or save them for your days for your little tacks, right? And you're trying to go heavy, but your grip may not be there. You know, don't depend on those things. Those are tools, not crutches. So here we are doing some seated cable rows, really finishing things up, taking my time. And this right here is a low row. Now I love the way it really gets a stretch in those lats. Notice how I lean slightly in with my body and then I lean slightly back with it. I really feel it in the lower part of those lats. Now, if you guys been following me for a while, if you don't have this type of equipment at your gym, you can do a standing cable low row. And I learned that from just studying Arnold, you know, so you can do a standing cable low row instead. You know, I've shown that exercise many times on YouTube, okay? So as you see, taking my time, making sweet love, really stretching, making the sweetest love. And here we are finishing off with some hyperextensions. I'm thinking about getting back into rack pulls in the near future, but you know, just wanted to get some movement while I'm moving that spine. You know, brain spine connection is very important. And there it is. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. Bam. Time to eat. The beast is hungry, baby. The beast is hungry. All right, fam. Post-workout meal time is on the way. I got me an unsweet tea and a water with lemon. Got a little sweetener in here to spice things up. I'll show you the meal in a moment. Check it. I got me a house salad, no cheese, no croutons, with a little bit of Italian to the side, okay? Extra tomatoes. Meal coming soon. All right, we got chicken breast with broccoli, and then I got a filet steak with a plain baked potato. Hey guys, thank you for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, I'll make it your boys. Moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.